So this is a natural remedy to get rid of gas, get rid of bloating, constipation, and many others. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So here is a healthy drink for you to get rid of gas in the stomach, a painful tummy, to ease constipation, and to get rid of bloating. So this remedy will also help you to obtain that flat belly. Most times, bloating can enlarge your belly, making your stomach to look big, as if it's fat in there. So this will help you greatly to get rid of bloated belly, remove constipation, get rid of gas from the stomach, from your intestine, and make you stay healthy. So you have to continue watching to know this one ingredient to make it up. So make this drink that will help to ease those constipation and bloating and make you stay healthy all the time. With ginger, you can make a wonderful drink that will help to get rid of bloating. Ginger is already in the kitchen. You can get it in the kitchen, easily available, very natural. So if you want to make this drink, you have to use a fresh ginger, just like this. Ginger helps to speed up digestion, helping to empty your stomach faster. Like most people, after eating, they'll be constipated. They will find it difficult to empty the bowel. Like that, their morning food will still be in the belly till the evening time, and it's not normal. So taking this drink will help greatly to empty your bowel, to empty your stomach, to prepare your belly for the next food. If you suffer from indigestion, you find it difficult to digest food properly, your old food will still be in your belly, and when you eat the next food, your stomach will be bloated, and which is not healthy. All this can cause stomach cancer, which can also be deadly. So you have to get a fresh ginger, just like this. Ginger will also help to make gas in the stomach to move out quickly into the small intestine, and so relieving those discomforts and bloating. So at the end of this, if you take this drink, you will notice instant results. So what you have to do is to get a fresh ginger root. Then you have to wash it thoroughly, wash it properly. Any size is okay. So I'm going to show you how to make just for 1 glass, okay? So just wash it thoroughly, then you have to peel it. Peel it, wash it one more time to remove dirt. Then cut it into smaller size. Transfer it into a cooking pot. There are 2 ways to make this drink. Either you boil it or you blend it. Let me go with the cooking method. Transfer it into your cooking pot. Add more than 1 glass of water. Remember, you are making for 1 glass, okay? So you have to increase the quantity of water, so that in the end, you will get a full glass. If you want to increase the quantity of this drink, you have to increase your ginger and add more water. So boil it for about 15-20 minutes. Just make sure it boils, boils, and boils. After that, you strain it out and have your drink. Take this drink a glass early morning before food. 1 glass early morning before food. So it's going to help to make that gas to go away from your belly, flushing it down into your small intestine, relieving you of discomfort and pains, as well as bloating, constipation, and all that. This drink is a very quick way, a natural way to ease yourself of all those gas, remove gas from your belly, and prevent illness, diseases, and cancer. So if you want to blend it as well, wash it thoroughly, cut it into smaller size, transfer it into your blender, add 1 glass cup of water, only 1 glass. Then after blending it, you strain it out. The color will be a little different than the one you boiled. The one I'm going to prepare to take it for my use is going to turn brown, okay, just a little brown because I boiled it. But in case you blend it, if you blend it, it's not going to be brown. It will be like, light lemon color, and that is the color of ginger. Take it either fresh or not, and you are going to get the same result. Take it first thing in the morning before your food, early morning, to help you greatly to relieve you of that gas, flushing down those gas and make it to stay healthy. Always cut down on salt. Salt can cause bloating. Salt can attract gas into your belly. Cut down salt. Salt is not even healthy. Okay, if you are taking lots of salt in your meal, just reduce it. It's not healthy at all. Try to take a glass of water, like 2 glasses early morning as you wake up. If you have severe constipation or severe bloating, you'll have a painful belly due to gas, take 2 glasses of water as you wake up from sleep early morning. Make sure the water is warm. Just take it. This is also a way to empty your bowel. So after like some minutes, you are going to pass us to it's going to help to empty your bowel, make you stay lighter, and relieving you of those gas discomforts and making it to be healthy. So if you are the type that always takes soda drink, all this Coca-Cola and all that, one that can attract more gas, please discontinue. Okay, all these soda drink are not healthy. It's just going to increase gas in your belly, trapping gas more, making you not to stay comfortable. Just limit your soda drink or just discontinue entirely. Also, if you're a smoker, please just stop. Okay, just stop smoking. Increase your fiber consumption. Take lots of fiber, maybe through fruits. Take probiotics a lot. It will help you greatly to get rid of those gas and constipation and making it to stay healthy. Take note of all this and also take this drink first thing in the morning, and you stay healthy and you will not have all those discomfort, gas, pain, and all that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.